Welcome back. NIO scientists have developed a remote control robot that can go up to 200 meters in sea and check water quality. The robot vessel is called Autonomous Vertical Profiler and it is the first of its kind in the world. It goes vertically down in sea and has got US patent. Scientists say Autonomous Vertical Profiler can be useful for checking pollution levels in sea and freshwater bodies.
This is the NIO-built Autonomous Vertical Profiler, a marine robot and remotely operated device. It has won the prestigious NRDC's Innovation Award. It can be easily lifted by a single person and deployed in sea for research. Sensors can be attached to this Autonomous Vertical Profiler. As can be seen in the video, the Autonomous Vertical Profiler goes vertically down in sea. NIO scientist R. Madan says that it can be useful for monitoring pollutions in sea and water bodies.
The major component of this profiler is the sensors. Now we can put different sensors on its nose cone, and if you can put pollution monitoring sensors, it can be very well used for monitoring pollution in freshwater, coastal zones. Presently we have sensors like dissolved oxygen, chlorophyll, turbidity, conductivity, temperature, which are measured in the water column.
There are plans for making this technology available for various other uses.
We have also used this equipment for ISRO for a satellite validation program. So that has been used close to 4 years for them for the Space Application Center. What we have done is we don't directly sell this technology. What we do is we transfer the technology to a private firm, and we have already advertised, and one private firm from Bangalore has expressed interest to buy this, and we are hopeful to transfer the technology to them, and then they will make it and give it to different users.
Rakesh Kandulkar for Prudent Media.
National Highway route at Chikli Vade is in a mess. National Highway contractors have dug pits to erect crash barriers along the roadside. No pavement for the pedestrians to walk along the roadside. People say it's foolishness to erect crash barriers without the expansion of the national highway. Surendra Madkaikar reports.
वास्को शहराक जोडणारो नॅशनल हायवे 17A चिखले आनी वाड्या स्लोपाचेर हांगसर नॅशनल हायवे क्रॅश बॅरियर्स घालपाचे हे करता आनी ते सेटबॅक कांयच नासतना सोडी नासतना हांगसर क्रॅश बॅरियर्स घालता. आतां तुमी पळयात हांगसर हे फोंड मारलेले आसा विदीन द अर्ध मिटराचे हेजेर आसा आनी हांगसर पेडेस्ट्रियन्स चलता तांकां त्रास जातले. हे नॅशनल हायवे आतांच हे रोड वायडनींग करतले काय कितें?
रोड वायडनींग कोता म्हणल्यार 2-4 वर्सांनी सांगताय पण अजून कांयच खबर ना.
रोड वायडनींग करिना पूण बॅरिकेड घालता.
हय बॅरिकेड घालूंक सोदताय पूण बॅरिकेड घाली जाल्यार आनी रोड उशीर जातलो. आमी लोक प्रॉब्लेम न्हू.
आतां एक क्रॅश बॅरियर घाले जाल्यार फाल्यां आमकांच कास्तीक आनी जातलो, कित्याक रस्तो आनी उशीर जातलो आनी एक्सिडेंट वाडटले.
लोकांची हांगा मागणी आसा की एक क्रॅश बॅरियर घालता न्हू पयले रोड वायडनींग पयलो करता. ऑलरेडी रोड वायडनींग सँक्शन जाल्ली आसा. पयलो रोड वायडनींग करता आनी मागीरूच ते क्रॅश बॅरियर घालचे आमची मागणी आसा.
ह्या होल्स मारलेले आहा तेच्या पोंदाक PWDची वॉटर पायपलायन आसा ती ऑलमोस्ट आतां तेंच्यांनी खड्डे मारला तेन्नाच ती ब्रेक जाल्लेली आसा. हेच्या फुडें कितें जर मातशी सुद्दां गाडी लागली जाल्यार पायप फुटतले. नॅशनल हायवे आदी पयलीं रोड वाडोवन घेतले काय कितें आनी मागीरूच हे क्रॅश बॅरियर्स घालतले. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Walkout Hospitals in Goa has launched Walkout Hip and Knee Club. The club will provide clinical excellence in joint replacements. The club will also benefit people who are suffering from bone and joint disorders caused due to arthritis.
The club members will be entitled to avail 10 complimentary OPD consultations. Beyond these consultations, they will be entitled to 15% discount on OPD consultations, 10% on non-invasive investigations beside 10 complimentary physiotherapy sessions. The members will also be entitled for a discount of 10% on basic hospitalization charges, room rent including ICU stay and diagnostics.
Primarily, this is an initiative of Walkout Hospitals Goa in our quest to achieve clinical excellence in joint replacement and to serve the community in and around Goa. This club will also benefit those people who are suffering from bone and joint diseases caused due to arthritis and the patients who have undergone treatment at the hospital should they require hospital services in future.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.